Primo viaggio con gli studenti internazionali, tutti italiani, ora si presentano.
Ilaria,
Francesco.
oh, Paola.
Io sono, lo sapete. Now I will ask the name of the guys.
Alba. Paola.
Romain. Io. Jaime.
Ilaria. Ilaria.
And Yevgeny.
Yeah.
Bellissimo.
Yeah, it looks like the group photo.
Ci sei?
No, volevo fare Adamo.
Where are we?
Bavaria.
Yeah, we're going to the Neuschwanstein Castle. See you later. Prost! Oh! Oh, more enthusiasm! 3, 2, 1, Prost! So we are in Vienna. It's raining. I'm freezing, and this is not my coat. Thank you, Santi. We are in
Where are we going now? Drinking coffee.
Drink coffee, coffee shops, coffee. The best coffee in the world. Hallo.
Hallo.
Es regnet viel, zu viel. Ich denke das. Zu viel regnet. E ora pazzesco, c'è la scritta di Amsterdam. Say something.
Something perfect.
Okay, we are in Bratislava.
The best city around the world.
Sì.
Karin Sachs.
Santa Claus.
I'm Russian Santa Claus, and I have something for you. But we have a tradition. If you want to get something, you need to give something. You can sing, you can dance, you can joke, so whatever you want.
Eccoci l'unboxing. I know che
Cosa?
Cos'è che hai ricevuto da Babbo Natale? Fallo vedere.
Oh, this one!
Yeah, and wait. This one is the best part.